Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a wash day. Basically, I had my hair in cornrows so that my wig cap can fit easily. However, I want to try different methods, so I'm deciding to do a wash. And so I have this bag here full of goodies. I got it actually from Victoria's Secret. So what I'm going to be using today is some products by Palma. This is the coconut oil formula. This is the hair milk smoothie, which I can apply either before or after I washed it. So I'm going to decide whether or not I need to apply it before to just give my hair a little moisture and make it detangle a bit so it can be a bit easier for me to manage. So yep, that's one of the products that I'll be using. Another product that I'll be using is the repairing conditioner. So after I done shampoo my hair, give it like 2 wash, then I'll apply the repairing conditioner. Although I recently cut the ends of my hair, I find that there is still quite a bit of damage, so I will be doing a lot of repair to my hair. So I'll be using the coconut oil formula, coconut oil repairing conditioner, which is for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. So yeah. And lastly, I have just a bit more of the shampoo. This is actually my favorite shampoo so far. Like, I have different kinds of shampoo, which is also coconut oil, which are by other brands, but so far I'm really loving the coconut oil conditioning shampoo. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one. Oh guys, I forgot, I also got this Moisture Grow hair dress, which is almost like a grease that you can apply once you have already washed your hair, which I will apply after I already washed my hair, and just through the scalp, because what I found, or what I find on a regular basis, is that I gather a lot of dandruff over time. Even after I took out my cornrows, I noticed that I did have a few dandruff spots in my hair. I think I still need to go through it. I haven't actually combed it through that much yet, but I'll get there. I'll get there with you guys. Some other things that I will obviously be using to do my hair today is this big teeth comb. The reason why is because the smaller teeth combs that I have, for example this one, which is quite small, it takes a lot of hair in clumps out of my hair, and for me this one makes it more manageable and it reduces the pain from my scalp. So I prefer using the bigger teeth comb, although obviously not everyone needs a bigger teeth comb, and maybe you might find the smaller teeth comb to be much more helpful for you. So whatever comb you prefer, just go ahead and do so. But I decided to get my rat teeth comb instead, and so I'm just going to use this comb to part my hair into 4 sections. It probably wouldn't be even, but I'll try my best. And it doesn't have to be perfect either, so it's just 4 parts, because obviously I can't really see the parting, but yeah. So I'm just parting it into different sections. And what I'm going to do is try to comb it out. First I'm just going to plait 4 big plaits. Or actually just do 4 twists. And just have it wrapped around. And wrap. Wrap it around. And I'm doing the same for the ones in the back. Obviously I can't see the parting as I previously mentioned, but I'm just parting it anyways. Many people who have seen me like in high school or even at college and university saw that I had permed hair at once, and during my time abroad, so I've spent a few years in New York where I studied, and I did some optical practical training for my international students. So basically I spent like a year in the city where I stayed in Brooklyn and so forth. And I think at that point in my life is when I started to decide whether or not I wanted to be a naturalista or keep perming my hair. But I wore a lot of wigs during that time, so I think it was coming. It was coming for me to definitely go back to either natural hair, or when I return to the Caribbean then do more perms, because I've never experienced like perming my hair in the United States or even in the United Kingdom. And although I've seen people have really great perms, to weave your hair already it costs an arm and a leg. So in the United States it does, but in the UK it's quite affordable. Actually it's somewhere around 25 to 30 pounds. I've weaved my hair for that little, and I was so surprised. But yeah, at one point I just stopped perming my hair, and the ends, as you can see here, it just comes off, and that's why I've actually got it trimmed recently. But there's still a lot still coming out, so I'm thinking that I probably need to go and get another trim, because it was quite even and now it's just like little strands here and there. So yeah, so I'm going to now start to see what it's like for me to clear out the back, because as I mentioned before, I can apply the smoothie, the hair milk smoothie, but I can do so either before or after I wash my hair. And usually I would like to do it as a moisturizer, hence why I'm trying to see if I can just detangle my hair with this petite comb before. So far it seems quite challenging. It's like the comb isn't sliding through. It feels so thick and hard. I feel like I really need to apply this smoothie. It's just so hard. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna apply this smoothie. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna continue doing this. So you can see there's so many hair just coming off. That's probably what the products are doing anyways, like helping my hair rebuild, especially the conditioner. This is like a rebuilding conditioner, and so it's probably making sure that, you know, all of the dry, damage or color treated hair are removed, so it would give it like more body and just look healthy in general. So yeah, my afro is just coming. I don't know, haven't had permed hair. Well, obviously I was born with natural hair and then I permed it, and now I've just transitioned back to natural. I don't know, like obviously there are some people who perm your hair really nice and it comes out late, whereas others it's just like there's no leakage. And I'm just like, that's probably why I'm just enjoying my natural hair for a while. So yeah, I'm really like looking forward to the growth. I don't know, how long would I say I've been a naturalista for? Not that long, to be honest. Like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 years, probably. I'm not quite sure. I'm not. Yeah, I'm like I said, I always have something done to my hair, whether it be a weave. Now I've jumped on the wig bandwagon, braids. What else? I've tried it all, believe you me. So yeah, I'm just applying this. I have a healthy start for the new year. It's not in my new year resolution, but it should always be a part of your lifestyle, just to maintain a healthy hair. And to be honest, I've actually never really cared for my hair that much. Maybe it's because I permed it and then I was just like having fun, and then yeah, trying different things. I haven't actually tried dyeing my hair, so most times I would just dye it jet black, which isn't that fun, you know, like all the red, the purples, the greens, the blues, pinks. I actually haven't tried those yet. I don't think I would. But now that I'm trying wigs to help me maintain my hair or take care of my hair, get it back to its natural state, then maybe I'll try a pink wig here and there, peach wig like my shirts, my nightgown. My nightgown is quite cute actually, but let's not get into that. So yeah, I think this is pretty much it. It's combed out evenly and it feels quite manageable, so I think I'm good to go. Let me just take out each section and comb it out in an afro and see what it's like. Comb it forward. Feels great. I'm loving it. Woo. You know, when you're a little child and you have your hair combed so nice for picture days and all of these things, this is what my hair is kind of reminding me of when I would have like really nice do's for picture days on a regular, not that fancy, but it's cute. But yeah, I like to comb in my hair for picture days. So yeah, anyways, let's just keep combing out every section. Woo! I love it! Look at this afro. I'm kind of channeling my inner Solange nose. Go girl! Look at, fabulous. Oh, so fabulous. Oh, I have to get the last section. Give me 1 second. So yep. Let me just give you a preview of like the hair that came out in this occasion, which isn't great, but there's still quite a few left on my hair, so I'm still very thankful. And so yeah, this is my inner salon ready to have a little wash. Shine bright, girl. Shine bright like a diamond. Yes. Anyways, let's go and wash my hair now. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some of the Moisture Grow hair dress and apply it to the root of my hair. I'm going to just start with the part that I originally had for my wig and see whether or not, I'll use that same pad in my next tutorial. I'm just going over it. Obviously at this point my hair is damp, but I'm not applying too much grease to make it greasy because I want it to just be moist. So I'm just doing that to the entire section. So yeah, going in a semicircle or anti-clockwise direction. Sorry. not just smush or massage that grease throughout my hair. So hey guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and look forward to my next video, which should be my installation of my first wig. Thank you once again for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.